Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to reset your Garmin Epix 2. We'll cover two main types of resets, a soft reset for quick fixes and a factory reset for more significant issues. Knowing these methods can help resolve many common problems, from a frozen screen to preparing your watch for a new owner. We'll walk through each process step by step, ensuring you understand exactly what to do and what to expect. Let's get started and keep your Epix 2 running smoothly. A soft reset is perfect for when your Epix 2 is acting a little sluggish or frozen. It's like rebooting a small computer. Simply press and hold the light button, located on the top left side, for about 15 to 20 seconds. Keep holding until the screen goes completely black. Once it's off, wait a couple of seconds, then press the light button again to power it back on. This quick restart often resolves minor software hiccups without affecting your data. If you need a fresh start, a factory reset through the settings is the way to go. First, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery. From the watch face, press the up or menu button, then scroll down and select System. Next, find and select Reset. You'll then choose Delete Data and Reset Settings. Confirm your choice, and your Epix 2 will restore to its original factory defaults, erasing all personal data and settings. Sometimes, if your screen is unresponsive, a button combination reset is necessary. Begin by powering off your Epix 2 completely by holding the light button. Once it's off, press and hold the down, start, and back buttons all at the same time. Now, power on the watch while continuing to hold these three buttons. You'll hear a beep. Release the start button. After a second beep, release the remaining buttons. Your watch will then proceed with the factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.